Hello friends, I hope everyone is safe and doing good. I Yash Dugar, founder of Crealth Research and Educare, I welcome you all to another video on technical analysis series. So as you all know, we have started this series to educate you all on different jargons and different topics of market so that next time you don't have to depend on anyone else for taking your trading as well as investing decisions. Okay. So before we start today's video, I would like to ask you all that I hope everyone is benefiting from our webinars which we do every Sunday, which is free for everyone to attend, where we bring stalwarts of the market, where we bring industry experts so that they share their experience and knowledge and wisdom with you and you learn from them without any cost. And I hope everyone is enjoying and learning as well as earning from these videos and these webinars which we do every Sunday. And of course, the knowledge groups, which is an initiative started by us on WhatsApp, where we share daily market updates, we share market commentary, we share a lot of data, we share a lot of analysis as well on these knowledge groups. So if you're not a part of these knowledge groups, you're missing something very big. So please be there a part of this and contact our team if you have any details, if you want any details or queries for these groups. So today we have a very important topic on our hand, because बहुत जन मुझे पूछ रहे थे कि what this technical analysis is all about. ये actual में होता क्या है, and how do we read the charts, and why is the need of technical analysis there when we already have fundamental analysis for reading the price and maybe the companies for forecasting as well as investing. So friends, technical analysis, if I talk about that, was not started now. It started in the 17th century in Japan, where the Japanese people used to use it for the forecasting the price of rice, which was a tradable commodity at that time in Japan. So they used to predict the future price of rice by analyzing the historical price movements of rice, right everyone? So if I tell you the definition of technical analysis is analyzing the historical price movement to predict or forecast the future price movements of an asset class. तो इसमें आप क्या करते हैं, आप historical price movement जो already हो चुकी है उसको study करते हैं, and then you try to predict the future price movements of that stock or the index or particular asset class which you're analyzing. So if I want to explain it to you through an example, so for example, when you visit a doctor, तो वो डॉक्टर क्या करता है, वो आपकी पास्ट मेडिकल हिस्ट्री, ही स्टडीज योर पास्ट मेडिकल हिस्ट्री कि पहले what kind of diseases you had, what kind of symptoms you had, maybe you had fever, you had stomach aches earlier, and through that historical analysis, through his historical prescriptions, he tries to forecast the future or maybe analyze what you can have right now. Okay, so it is very important for you to analyze the historical price movements, to analyze the future price movements of a particular asset class, and that is technical analysis, my friends. Okay, so technical analysis vis-a-vis fundamental analysis, बहुत ही ज़्यादा लोग इसमें confused हो जाते हैं, एक query रहती है कि why technical analysis and how is it different from fundamental analysis. So friends, technical analysis is only about two things, that is price and volume. The price of the stock or the asset class you are looking into, and the volume, which is the total quantity traded in a particular day or the week or the month, whatever chart you are seeing, right? So ये दोनों चीज पे ही पूरा technical analysis बना है. There is nothing else. जितने भी indicators, oscillators, support, resistance, price action, जो भी चीज आप देखते हैं, all are related to price as well as volume. तो आप अभी सोच रहे होंगे कि इसमें अगर प्राइस और वॉल्यूम स्टडी कर लूं तो इज इट सो इजी टू एनालाइज टेक्निकल्स. सो इट इज नॉट दैट इजी. ऑफ कोर्स आपको इन डेप्थ एनालिसिस करना पड़ेगा, यू हैव टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ हिस्टोरिकल स्टडी, बहुत एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, बट विथ टाइम, विथ प्रैक्टिस, विथ डिसिप्लिन, विथ एक्सपीरियंस, you will definitely be able to learn technicals, and of course we are there to make you learn. So vis-a-vis fundamentals, if we study, so fundamental analysis mein what we will do is we have to study the balance sheet, the profit and loss statement, the cash flow statement, the various ratios, the debt to equity ratio, the ROE, the ROCE, the PE ratio. So there are a lot of things we have to analyze in the fundamentals. जो analyze करके we try to forecast the future results कि फ्यूचर में कंपनी कैसे रिजल्ट्स पोस्ट करेंगी या फ्यूचर में कंपनी का क्या प्राइस हो सकता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द रीसेंट और द हिस्टोरिकल डेटा ऑफ द रिजल्ट्स विच वी आर देयर इन टर्म्स ऑफ फंडामेंटल्स, या जो डेटा हमारे पास अवेलेबल इन टर्म्स ऑफ द रेशियोज विच आई टॉक्ड अबाउट राइट नाउ, राइट? सो फंडामेंटल्स टेल्स यू कि कौन सा कंपनी अच्छा है, कौन सा कंपनी अच्छा कर सकता है, राइट? बट टेक्निकल्स विल हेल्प यू इन द एंट्री एंड एग्जिट. So friends, it's very important that आप entry और exit analyze करें, because what happens is maybe you are invested in a XYZ stock which is a very good stock, but you entered at the highs, you entered at the wrong level. तो उससे क्या होगा, you will not be able to make that much money जितना आप बना सकते थे if you would have used technicals and entered at the right price. And it is very important for you to see that you have to exit also at the right price. See friends, एंट्री सब राइट जगह कर लेते हैं बट दे आर नॉट एबल टू एग्जिट, एंड द सेम थिंग हैपेंस विद लॉट ऑफ रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स एज वेल, जहां उन्हें एंट्री तो अच्छे से कर ली बट वो राइट टाइम पे एग्जिट नहीं किए. फॉर एग्जांपल यूनिटेक which was maybe in 4 digits in 2008 is right now trading it in few single digits, right? So अगर किसी ने उस समय यूनिटेक में इन्वेस्ट किया होता तो today's money would have been depreciated by more than 99%, right? So it is very important that you have the right entry and the right exit in a particular stock. The stock may be good, but अगर आपने entry सही तरीके से नहीं किया तो you won't be able to create wealth and you will not be able to save your wealth, which is very important in the market, because पहले आप save करोगे तभी आप wealth create कर पाओगे, right? So another example I am showing you on your screen, that is Vedanta. So if you see the monthly charts of Vedanta, there is a strong support at 60 से लेके 65 वाले zone पे. So how can I tell that? I just saw the monthly chart and मैंने उसका historical analysis किया कि whenever Vedanta has come to the price level of between 60 to 65, it has given a strong bounce back from there and it has maybe doubled or tripled from there, right? So I've just done a simple analysis of support and resistance and मैंने देखा कि 60-65 is a good historical support and यहाँ से Vedanta bounce back कर रहा है, and maybe in this 2020 fall it would have been a great investment opportunity at that time, because वहीं उसी लेवल से उसी जोन से वेदांता has now bounced back and become 120-130 right now. Okay, so again this is no recommendation, it was just for education purpose we shared this example. So I hope now your concept of technical analysis is very much clear to you. I hope now you'll be able to understand actually what technicals is, what the difference between technicals and fundamental is, and I hope you will be able to learn them through our videos and through our webinars which we do every Sunday. So thank you so much friends for watching this video. I hope you liked it and you learned something great today. See you all next week for another great video which we put up on our YouTube channel every Saturday. And I wish you all a great trading week ahead. Stay safe, stay at home, and have a great weekend ahead. Goodbye.